Did you know that you can print huge models, multicolor parts, and multiple pieces at once on a single machine without needing to divide them into smaller sections like before? The printer we have here is built to deliver massive build volume, high-speed precision, versatile material support, and multicolor creativity all in one platform. Today we are taking a look at the Phrozen Arco FDM 3D printer, designed for creators, makers, and professionals who want big prints without compromise. Before we jump into what's inside the box, quick heads up, this is a paid collaboration and this unit was sent to us in exchange for this review, but as always, my review remains completely honest, genuine, and based on real use. So right out of the box, the Arco arrives securely packaged and protected. Unboxing it gives the first impression of quality. It is solid, thoughtfully designed, and clearly built for serious printing tasks. Setup is straightforward with everything you need included, so you are ready to start printing without delays just in a few minutes. The first thing you will notice is its massive 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, one of the largest in its class. That means you can print large models or multiple smaller parts in a single run without breaking them up, which is a huge advantage for prototyping, product design, and functional parts. The Arco is built on a Core XY motion system, which provides ultra-stable movement, and this structure makes the printer faster, smoother, and more accurate than many traditional designs by minimizing vibration and distortion even at higher speeds. Under the hood, it features a direct drive extruder, giving you precise control over filament feed and excellent material compatibility. You can print a wide range of materials like PLA, PE, TG, TPU, and even carbon fiber reinforced composites like PET CF15 without trouble. One of the coolest expansions for the Arco is multicolor printing with the Chroma kit, which is sold separately. This add-on unlocks automated multicolor capabilities, so you won't need to manually swap filaments during prints, which is really a hassle. It is a huge boost for visuals and creativity if you want vibrant, complex parts straight off the printer. In terms of performance, the Arco isn't definitely slow. It's capable of very high printing speeds reaching up to 1000 mm per second and extreme acceleration, meaning large prints finish faster and with excellent surface quality thanks to its rigid metal frame and high precision components. It also supports popular slicer software like Orca Slicer and Pixup FDM, giving you flexible workflow options whether you prefer speed, customization, or simplicity. Overall, the Phrozen Arco FDM 3D printer is definitely a powerful platform for anyone who needs large-scale printing, material versatility, high-speed precision, and optional multicolor capability all in one machine. So whether you are prototyping functional parts, crafting artistic models, or running a small production line, it brings desktop FDM performance up to a new level. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing 3D printer, the Phrozen Arco. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best printer for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and check out the details of this Phrozen Arco. See you in the next video. Peace.